This is the C-50 machine for keychain customization. The machine has two functions. On one hand, it cuts the paper with which you can personalize the items, and on the other, it assembles the various promotional items we offer: keychains, pins, lanyards, badges, and photo and office accessories. To begin, place the cutting base, which is on a round nylon plate that we will use only when using the cutting dies. Next, screw the handle onto the machine as shown in the image. There are two types of cutting tools: UC cutting dies and MC cutting matrices. The UC dies are the simplest and allow you to cut 4 or 5 sheets at a time. We recommend using paper with a weight of between 80 and 120 grams for precise cutting. To place the dies, first remove the nylon base to easily fix them on the top of the C-50. Insert the die and tighten until it is secure. Then, place the nylon cutting base back. Your machine is ready to cut. Place the paper or papers between the nylon base and the die. Pull the lever to proceed with the cut. The OMC matrix is placed by sliding it into the C-50 machine until it fits into the semicircular slot. A small pressure on the top is necessary for its proper fitting and to compensate for the height difference. The OMC matrices are cutting tools that will allow you to perfectly visualize your logo or image and thus cut the paper more precisely. Attention! With these matrices, you can only cut one sheet at a time. We can easily change them and repeat the process with a different matrix to cut another size or shape of paper. Once the papers are cut, they are ready to be placed in the keychains. For the assembly of metal keychains, we will use the assembly tools. They consist of two elements: the plunger, which is fixed to the top of the machine by holding it with the side screw, and the assembly base, which is placed at the base of the machine. We remind you that to assemble a metal keychain, you will need metal casings, lenses, and paper. To assemble the products, place the printed and cut paper in the keychain casing and then place the lens. Remember that the lens has a flat side that should be placed inside the keychain and a convex side that will be on the outside of the keychain. Lower the handle until the lens is fully inserted into the casing. We can change the assembly tools by repeating the action and thus assemble different models quickly and easily. We follow the same procedure once again. We place the paper in the keychain and press the lens with the assembly tool. Easy and simple. Now we will see how to assemble a UV printed lens in a metal keychain. For the assembly of acrylic keychains, you will need acrylic casings and paper. We will use the C-50 machine to cut the paper, but the assembly is done manually by pressing the inner lens of the casing with your fingers. An experienced assembler can customize up to 250 keychains per hour with the C-50 machine. A wide variety of metal and acrylic keychains, pins, personal badges, and many more items can be customized very easily with simple printed paper.